In this video I will show you how to close unnecessary app just one command easily in Windows 10 and 11. C200 Plus processes is running in my computer. Go to this website, copy the command text key. Run Windows PowerShell as administrator and paste the command text key, then press enter. Follow the PowerShell command. After open CTT Windows, select Tweaks, then select your device, laptop or computer you use. After select your device, run Tweaks. After finish Tweaks, restart your computer. See almost 100 processes closed. That's it, enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.